Hello, today we will guide you through how to add or adjust beginning balance in QuickBooks. In this walkthrough, we'll make sure your opening balances line up with your bank or prior accounting records so your reports stay accurate and reconciling is smooth. Start by signing into QuickBooks and opening the Invoices page from the left menu. This puts us on a common screen and ensures the navigation panel is visible. Next, move your cursor to the Accounting section on the left. When the options appear, select Chart of Accounts. This is where all your balance sheet accounts live, including bank, credit card, and other asset or liability accounts that may need a beginning balance adjustment. Find the specific account you want to fix and choose View Register. The register is a ledger-style view that lists activity for that account. Look for the opening balance line or the earliest entry. To make an adjustment that increases the balance, double-click in the Increase column for that line to activate the field. You're telling QuickBooks to raise the starting value for this account. If your intention were to lower the amount, you typically work with the decrease side instead, but for this example, we're focusing on an increase. Enter the amount you need. Use your bank statement's beginning balance as of your QuickBooks start date, or use the carryover amount from your prior accounting system. Take a moment to check the date on the entry so it reflects the correct opening day. You can also add a clear memo such as Opening Balance Adjustment for traceability. QuickBooks may assign a category behind the scenes, often Opening Balance Equity, to keep your books in balance. That's normal. If you're unsure about the category or the impact on retained earnings, it's a good idea to confirm with your accountant. Once you've entered the value and reviewed the details for accuracy, give everything a quick scan to make sure you're not duplicating an existing opening balance line. Small mistakes here can ripple into reconciliations later. When you're confident the entry is correct, click Save. QuickBooks will store the change and update the register total. After saving, refresh your reports or glance at your balance sheet to confirm the account now starts at the intended amount. If your company has a closing date set or you see a lock icon, you may need the appropriate permission to modify historical entries. And if the new balance still doesn't match your statement, review the date and amount or compare against any import you performed from a previous system. That's it. You've just added or adjusted a beginning balance in QuickBooks with confidence and clarity.